Make Ashwagandha ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy Ashwagandha ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 ashwagandha stick. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half